Now this engine stand was a Harbor Freight, or is a Harbor Freight special. And it works pretty good, but the legs down below are short, and this is probably pretty good. This will work good with a inline 4 or a V6 or even a V8. But if you're using or putting on an inline 6 like this engine, those legs were too short and it would start tilting forward. So I had to build longer legs. You can see down here black, and that helps a lot. Now what I've got to do is take this plate and match it up to the bolts on the back of this engine. There is some brackets that help you out with that, but of course I haven't taken an engine off for over 10 years and I don't know where those brackets are. I wonder where they are.